Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to daily training analysis video. Today is a Monday, 4th of May, and we're going to start off with the euro against US dollar. Um, as you can see on the chart itself, this is a 4-day chart. We can see the price has been appreciating, and it got resisted at the key resistance level. Final exhaustion at the price of 1.1281. Global expansion 161.8%, and we are also seeing signs of reversal from here. So I just want to show you by zooming the smaller time frame on the 15-minute chart itself. We can see that based on the structure right now, we are expecting price to fall further and break lower. Um, so once price begin to break below the bottom trend, falling trend line itself, we're expecting price to fall even further, and just expecting price to at least touch the support level at 1.1033, a previous key resistance level based on the charts. So that's pretty much for the euro against US dollar. Right now, you might want to consider going for the shorts. Alright, but just remember to halve your risk since today is a Monday, and take note that there will be a series of economic data from the euro itself, mainly the Spanish, the Italian, French, and German manufacturing PMI. Alright, so later we might be expecting some volatility. So that's for the euro against US dollar, and next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price has begun to fall ever since it got persistently resisted at the price of 0.7736. Global expansion was 1.8%, and right now price has already broke below the 200 moving average and the rising trend line itself. So based on the past record itself, as whenever price begin to depreciate for the New Zealand dollar, um, it usually fell faster than expected, and usually after a very short consolidation, price will begin to fall very fast. So at this moment itself, we are seeing that price is consolidating. It might be coming to the end of consolidation very soon. So you may want to start to look for a short opportunity right here. Alright, expected price to fall at least to the support level at 0.7421. You can see that based on the past records. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. Price did not really hit any key resistance level, but then it starts to fall. And it actually fell pretty significantly. The strength for the bearish trend is getting very strong, and therefore at this point of time, if you want to just trade with the trend itself, we might want to go for the short very soon after the consolidation has come to the end. And first support level for this for the pound against US dollar will be at the 200 moving average, and that's pretty much for the pound against the US dollar. Alright, and next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. As you can see, price has been resisted at the price of 0.8069, which is actually a key support level back then in beginning of the January of 2015. And based on the chart pattern itself, we're actually expecting price to appreciate a little bit further, or rather retrace a little bit before we go for a short again. Hopefully, you can get resisted at the price of 0.7903. But of course, at the same time, we have to also consider that the Reserve Bank of Australia might want to cut interest rates tomorrow. So we have cash rate at 12:30 p.m. tomorrow, and there's a very high chance that the Reserve Bank of Australia might cut interest rates. So just be wary of this pair. You might want to just put aside this pair just for today and trade the news tomorrow instead. So if the Reserve Bank of Australia cuts interest rate, then of course we are expecting the Aussie to depreciate pretty significantly. Alright, so that's pretty much for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next with the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so based on the 4-day chart, price has rebounded off from the key support level at 118.54, and it has also broken above a falling trend line, as we see right here, currently registered at the price of 120.25. We might be able to expect price to probably fall a little bit. Hopefully, as it touches the rising trend channel, as it touches the falling trend line itself, um, we can look for a long opportunity from here. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Next, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Um, Price has continued to fall further, but right now it has been supported at the bottom of a falling trend channel. Um, He has made a few attempts to break lower, and then it starts to rebound off the key support level at the price of 0.9307. Fibonacci measure 161.8%. Alright, as you can see right now, if you zoom in the smaller time frame, we are already seeing price beginning to appreciate after a very small scale inverted head and shoulder, I would say. Alright, so we might be expecting price to continue to appreciate from here, at least to the top of the falling trend channel itself, or to the previous key support level at 0.9497. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And with that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and good luck for the trading.